This is the recovery on the Atlantic 75. The wind is blowing extremely strongly from the right as you're looking at it. The tide is also running very hard, and so manoeuvring the boat into the trailer will not be easy. It needs to be manoeuvred so that it can come in astern backwards despite the tide. This is being done as part of a training exercise, but obviously has to be done in the same way, whether it's in the middle of the night, flat calm or a gale, all the time. This is how the lifeboat crews train, and this is what they practice doing, because that's what they know. He's not happy with the position of the trailer, so he's asking for it to go in a different direction, but on the other hand, he's going to say that he's going to go again. Manoeuvring this around is not easy. Bringing it back into the tide. So the wind directions is he only has to be 1 degree out of the sideways, lose control. Very careful. Isn't ready to take hold of the trolley as they boats being pushed sideways, but they get there. And they can now push the boat onto the trolley and make sure that it is recovered. Once they're attached to the trolley, the tide no longer matters. When they're ready, then the trolley can go backwards, pull the boat out of the water. You can hear the engines, which are being run to empty them of fuel and to get rid of the water that's in them. An awful lot of effort goes into making sure that the lifeboat is kept in perfect order and that everything is cleaned, ready for a further trip if they need to.